Hi, this is Charles. I'm currently here at Brunei International Airport. I'm off to Singapore Food Festival. Oh, this one?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Anjung Saujana Restaurant, so I'm going to check out what is on the buffet table. This is Rojak Singapore. To the Asian salad, so there are all the different vegetables and then mixed with chili sauce or soya sauce. Thank you. I put it with Asian sauce. Let's try. Chicken rice. This is the chicken rice. So I'll put with chili, the rice, and I have the risotto. Yes, they have some Western beef with chinchalok sauce and then fish curry. I'm gonna try the famous Singapore chicken rice. Thank you.
Okay.
This is the famous Singapore ice cream bread. So you have the bread and then inside is a slice of ice cream. Restaurant, we have lucky draw. our buffet at the Anjung Saujana, the Singapore Food Festival. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.